All right, last part of section 1.7. Let's see how to solve constant rate job problems. All right, this is a little bit long problem. Okay, let's read it and understand the situation. It says, at 10 o'clock a.m., Danny is asked by his father to weed the garden. From past experience, Danny knows that this job will take him 5 hours working alone. His older brother Mike, when it is his turn to do this job, requires 6 hours. Since Mike wants to go golfing with Danny and has a reservation for 1 o'clock p.m., he agrees to help Danny. Assuming no gains or loss of efficiency, when will they finish if they work together? Can they make the golf date? Okay, that's the problem. So now let's analyze it. Okay, if we consider weed the garden as a whole piece of work, okay, if Danny can get this work done in 5 hours, so that means his hourly working rate is what? Is 1 out of 5, isn't it? That's Danny's working rate. How about Mike's working rate? He gets his work done in 6 hours, so per hour he's get the work done like a 1 out of 6, right? So the two person, Danny and Mike, they work together, so the work rate, we can find they work together the work rate, which is use the Danny's work rate per hour plus the Mike's work rate per hour, and then these two add together should equals the part of the job done together in an hour. So now we can put all the information into a table. Okay, and this column is list the hours to complete the job. Danny can do it by itself, takes 5 hours. So the hourly rate, work rate is 1 out of 5, and then Mike get the job done alone for 6 hours. So the hourly work rate is 1/6, and then the total they work together, how long it will take, we do not know. That's the unknown variable. So we use T to represent. That's the only unknown quantity, okay, for this problem. And then the hourly work rate, it will be 1 out of T, right? 1 T's. So now we can set up the equation. It's Danny's hourly work rate plus Mike's hourly work rate should equals together their together work rate. So 1 over 5 plus 1 over 6 equals 1 out of T, 1 over T. So how to solve this equation? We want to get rid of the denominator 5 and 6. So both sides of the equation we can multiply by the same constant 30. Okay, the purpose just get rid of all the denominator. So we got 30 times 1/5, we got a 6. 30 times 1/6, we got a 5. Just eliminate the parentheses using distributive property. And then right hand side, we got a 30 over T, right? So left hand side combine like terms, we got 11 equals 30T, and then this is more like a proportion type of problem, okay? Cross multiply and set to equal, so 11T equals 30. And then both sides divided by 11, we can solve T equals 30 divided by 11. So if you want to know the decimal, okay, you can use your calculator to calculate 30 divided by 11. So actually we got 2 hour 44 minutes to complete with the garden job, okay, if Danny and Mike work together. So can they make the golf date? Yes, they, that's a 10 o'clock a.m., right? If they work together, take 2 hours, 44 minutes. So that will make it complete the job. 2 of them work together, complete the job at 12:45. The golf reservation is 1 o'clock p.m., right? So they should be able to, make the golf date. Okay, this is the last slides of 1.7, so we're done today.